Welcome. If you're tired of your inbox filling up with LinkedIn email notifications every time there's a job post update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show how to quickly disable those email notifications for job post updates on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is usually your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Notifications. This section lets you manage all the different alerts LinkedIn sends you. Now, scroll through the list until you find the section labeled Hiring Someone. Click on it to expand more options. Within Hiring Someone, you'll see Job Posts. Click on Job Posts to go even deeper into the notification settings. Here, you'll find Job Post Updates. Click on it, and you'll see different ways LinkedIn can notify you about job post updates, including push notifications and emails. To stop receiving these updates by email, simply toggle the email option to off. This will immediately disable email notifications for job post updates, so you won't get any more of those messages in your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications for job post updates on LinkedIn. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the email option back to on. Keeping your notifications under control means less clutter in your inbox and more focus on what matters to you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other LinkedIn tips.